Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Wendy Ng, board certified plastic surgeon. Today we are going to talk about sunscreen. Sunscreen limits the appearance of sunspots, protects the skin from sunburn, reduces the risk of skin cancer. It has been scientifically proven to reduce the signs of skin aging. Using sunscreen daily slows the skin's aging process. Physical sunscreens, or mineral sunscreens, sit on top of the skin rather than being absorbed. They include titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. So this example of Australian Gold sunscreen, which I found on Amazon for about $15, includes both ingredients. That's 4% titanium dioxide and 4% zinc oxide for a total percentage of 8, which is pretty good for protection. Chemical sunscreens, on the other hand, tend to be a bit more protective because of the variety of ingredients. So while I like to use the Australian Gold sunscreen when I'm out and about and exercising, sometimes when I'm sweating a lot or in the water, then I've also found that I like this Super Goop Play sunscreen, which is a chemical sunscreen. It's also broad spectrum, but it tends to stay on a little bit better when I'm sweating a lot or in the water. Regardless, it's still really important to reapply your sunscreen at least every 2 hours. Aside from both of those, which I was able to find on Amazon, I also like to use on a more daily basis, particularly for my face, I like to use ZO Skin Health Smart Tone Sunscreen. This is a broad spectrum sunscreen with SPF of 50, and one of the things I really like about this sunscreen is that it's easy to blend into my skin tone. It's easy to apply, and it also protects against high energy violet light, which comes from our cell phones, our tablets, our computer screens, and that contributes to skin aging as well. So it's good to be protected. I have also alternatively found online a Korean sunscreen called Misha, which is also a chemical sunscreen. It's also broad spectrum and prevents aging. And it is really easy to apply because it's smooth and it leaves no residue. So it's really, really comfortable. So these are a lot of different options of sunscreen. What I really want to emphasize to you is that overall, what's most important is that you find a sunscreen that you are comfortable with, that you will apply regularly. So try out these brands and let me know what you think. Aside from that, it must be said that you shouldn't forget about your lips, which also get exposed to the sun. For my lips, then I use a SPF lip balm. This is Dermatone, which I also found on Amazon. Comes in a pack of 3. It's got SPF of 30, which is great. And I just apply it to my lips to make sure that I am protected and I'm good to go. So I hope these recommendations have helped you. Let me know what you think or if you have any other sunscreen recommendations in the comments.